Hey guys, so decided to get out my old Toshiba Satellite 4015 CDT for once. I ain't did a video with this thing in so long. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to attempt to restore this Toshiba Satellite 4015 using the restore disk so we can see what it looks like with the factory settings. So with that being said, we're going to go ahead and fire this thing up. Since I got the restore disk inserted, and let me restart this iMac real quick while it's in the middle of doing an update. I know you're supposed to hold down the C button to boot from the restore disk. So we're just going to hit F1. So we're just going to hit C to continue. But we're going to eventually erase everything. It's not like I have nothing important on this thing anyway. Alright, after it got done erasing everything, so we should see the file copying process after it gets done formatting the drive. So this is going to take a while, so I'll be back if something else changes. After the formatting process is complete, so we should be going on to the file copying process. So this is going to actually take a while, and once this gets done copying the files to the hard drive, then I'll be back. Alright, so since everything's fully copied over, so let's go ahead and reboot. Let's do a hard reset. So there we go, we got your typical Windows 98 splash screen, of course. Because this computer originally came with Windows 98, back in 98, of course. So we're going to go ahead and enter the name, of course. Because I can tell we got use a special mouse pointer, which we could change it back to the default. And of course, we're going to accept the license agreements. And let me be right back and enter the product key. Since I'm back from entering the key, so let's go ahead and click finish. Let's just make a password, why not? Even though it's not like you really need one in Windows 98, of course. me crank the volume up a bit because we're gonna need, while we adjust our time zone, of course. It's hard doing this with one hand, so just bear with me, guys. And no, we don't have a printer. And you get some of the Toshiba goodies, and of course that does want to make you want to use Windows 98 hearing that. We'll close out of that. So let's see what we got installed, of course, because that's what y'all wanted to base. You get this, you get Norton Antivirus, and you get Disney's Daily Blast, which we'll probably explore that, and get your typical Internet Explorer 4 and Outlook Express 4, Arcade Media Player, Microsoft Reference, which comes with Encarta 98 and Bookshelf 98. Because this is 98 first edition. But at some point I'm going to attempt to do an in-place upgrade of not to 98 second edition. And it should come with Outlook 98. Let's exit that. We're gonna I'll just use that for why not. You even get the old Office Assistant. I'll only give you the Office logo. Wow. But I'm going to eventually upgrade that to Office 2000. You even get the hyperlinks for the desktop background, since we're using the Toshiba version of the Windows 98 wallpaper. Let me make a few adjustments. So if I do, when I put plus 98, at least we'll save a default color scheme. So that can happen. So let's see what kind of install components we get on. Because I'm just curious too. So we get all the accessories, and which is nice. We get all the desktop themes. We'll enable multi-language support. So we get all the multimedia, which is nice. There's a simple solution for that. We just point it to Windows Options tabs. But oh well, we ain't gonna fool with that, since I don't have the Windows 98 disk installed. You even get Quicken financial solutions. It's pretty much, you should get the Toshiba screensaver. There should be a Toshiba screensaver on here, if I can find it. which this screensaver was mainly used for like demos, when you would see them on like at like any retail market. So yeah, that's all for now. May do a few more videos with this computer, so there'll be more videos to come in the near future, and I hope you guys enjoyed this little video, and thanks for watching.